Hello, this is Yuta. For this assignment, I want to pick up the website Pasona Canada. This company is a Canada branch of a famous Japanese recruitment agency. They help Japanese persons who want to work in Canada and also Canadian persons who want to work for Japanese capital companies in Canada or Canadians who want to work in Japan. We Japanese students usually know this company by word of mouth. But this time, when I searched this company, I was confused that which site is this company. Finally, I found this website from Google Suggestion Info. But actually, this site turned out to be a website for whole North American job seekers. They don't have their own website. If they also cover Canada region, they should mention about it on the top pages, I think. Maybe this ambiguity would reduce users' will to use this site and reduce ROI rate. And once we reach the top page of the company website, we can find job search form here. But this form is also hard to use. Firstly, we don't understand what regions this company covers. Should we enter city name? There's no result. Or should we enter province name? I think this part should be dropped down. And also, even if we get search results, we can see disable previous and next button. If they don't have enough job offers to divide pages, these buttons should be hidden. And also for the company, their important call to action would be the registration of job seekers and also employers. But we can't reach those forms easily. As for job seekers, we have to click at least 1, 2, 3, 4 pages to sign up. If users miss the word, this free registration, maybe we can't find this sign up form at all. And also, there seems no sign up form for employers. I must say that this company's website is a typical failure example of information architecture. And also I wanna see the social media buttons. Once I click the button, the page will move to social media pages. This should be opened by another tabs or windows. Otherwise, we users hardly to move back to main website. And these social media pages are only Japanese. To be involved Canadian candidates, these accounts should be bilingual. Basically, I think this site has a lot of good contents for job seekers. By the way, I also want to mention that this website is hard to understand link patterns. There are self-analysis, company analysis, and also resume tips and interview strategy tips. I think if this website would be more organized, this site should be more useful for job seekers. I seriously hope that this company helps Japanese workers community in Canada more active. That's all. Thank you so much.